your understanding of who moved my cheese. And if you're not speaking anything, it means you have not understood anything. Yes, next. Yes, of course. What is your roll number?
9.
Okay, roll number 9. Yes.
First of all, the first thing that I took from that story is that we should never be obsessed over something like we have this, we have abundance of this, we don't need anything, we don't need to do anything else, and we have to just sit, relax, and have the reward. Uh, um, uh, we should always be we should always be little worried, I would say, that these things that we have in our hand, which is uh, maybe a reward or something, can be lost or can be finished someday. So we should always work for our future and make sure that we have everything for proper proper function of our life. We should and the second thing that I learned was that we should never hold on to something that has gone wrong. That if something has gone wrong, that we are sitting back relaxed and thinking about it, overthinking about it, that oh my god, this happened, oh my god, that happened,
Very good.
and do nothing to fix that problem. So we should always try to look for new ideas and always look to fix the problem rather than just sitting and overthinking about the situation. Uh, and the Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah. What's your name?
Ma'am, Farooq Kadir.
Farooq. Very good answer. And one last question to you. This is monthly assessment revision quiz. 1 month has gone by, so I'm going to ask questions and you need to answer. Otherwise, today was the activity club class wherein you had to take the initiative of GDs or debates or speeches or role play or thematic appreciation, anything. Students decide on their own what we have to do, and so nobody had decided anything. So I'm taking the mark. Now the last question to you, the next question to you is the characters Hem, Haw, Sniff and Scurry. To whom do you identify with? Are you like Hem? Are you like Haw?
No,
Are you like Sniff?
no, Ma'am, Haw.
Oh, you are like Haw. Tell me why. Tell me how.
Haw.
How are you like Haw? Tell me what was the character of Haw?
Haw was a squirrel, and
Squirrel?
he was a
Squirrel? No? Farooq, there is no squirrel in the story.
yes, ma'am. Someone called me, so that's why my mic was off.
There are two miniature creatures, humans, and two mice.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yeah, mice. Yeah, exactly, mice. I was just confused.
Haw was not a mice. Are you confused?
Then
Hem
when
and
Sniff and
Haw
Scurry,
were the
then
humans.
Scurry was Sniff and Scurry was that.
Sniff and
Mice.
Scurry. So you identify with whom? The mice or the human?
Ma'am, I would go with the mice who who first took the initiative to go and look for another cheese station when cheese
Okay.
station 3 was
Alright.
gone.
So your character and your personality matches with Scurry.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
who immediately went out
Who took the
on
initiative?
the lookout, initiated, and he did not waste time. The moment he
Yes,
saw
ma'am.
that there's nothing over here, they
Yes,
instead
ma'am.
of sitting and crying and whiling away time, They took the opportunity.
Yeah.
They moved out for new cheese. It means they moved out
Yes,
for
ma'am.
new opportunities. They did not waste a single moment, right? So
Yes. Yes,
your
ma'am.
character and your personality identifies with Scurry.
Yes, ma'am. Scary.
Fine.
Yes.
Very good answer. Very good answer. Yes, next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I leave the meeting because I have to go to airport today.
I have.
I have to go to airport.
Yeah, of course you can.
Ma'am, my attendance.
Will be done.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Next. चलिए आप तो your yes next same question what is your understanding of the story whom my cheese and to which character do you identify with tell me your roll number first
16. My understanding with the story after reading the novel, I have come to a conclusion that people are always scared of changes. They don't want to adapt. As said by Newton in physics, every object wants to maintain an inertia. They don't want to accept changes until they are forced to do or they are forced by other circumstances. So,
one question to you why people resist change
once they get into their zone, their comfort zone, they don't want to leave that place because they don't know for the outside the world it's uncertain. It can be good, it can be bad, and it can also be worse. So they just think, where are we? It's better and it's the best for them.
so what is your takeaway from this story
My takeaway from this story is that we should try to change. I know that I am like him. I am also scared of going out of my comfort zone, etc. But I am always trying to be like her, to accept changes.
but you said you identify with him who will never go out even though everybody was out even Ho had left him and had motivated him to please come with me and he had written a lot of quotes and slogans but then he did not move out because he was so much scared so you would like to you prefer to be in a comfort zone wherein you do not want to move out so Ham was one person who would not go out under any circumstances because he was so much bent upon his own comfort zone and he was scared maybe if I'll go out I may not survive.
That's exactly like me. I don't think I am good at my own outside my comfort zone, but I always try to be like more liberal and more thoughtful,
Okay.
more positive.
Okay, you are identified with him. So what is your takeaway? What lessons will you learn? What is your takeaway lessons? Okay, I read the story and this is the model of the story and how I would like to change because I do not want to end up my life being him.
My moral of the story for me is that we should always try to be better. At every day we should try to be a better self of ourselves that we were yesterday or the previous day. So
Though the author does not reveal what happened to him in the end, at the end of the story, but then he did reveal what all good things happened with Ho. Isn't it?
So I just don't want to end up like how I am born. I want to end up like a developed man, a man who everyone recognizes, a man who has accomplished.
Okay, tell me the story. Tell me the author of the story.
S. Johnson. Dr. S. Johnson. Dr. Spencer Johnson.
Spencer Johnson. Yes, sit down. Yes, next. Yeah, of course.
Roll 98 now.
98. Your name?
From this story, I came to understand that life is all about change. We should adapt changes. If we don't adapt to changes, we'll be like him who stays in the darkness all every time.
All these life.
We should be like, mostly we should be like Sniff and Scurry, but if we are scared of changes. So we should try to adapt changes. Like Bhav just did. He was scared, but slowly he adapted. He tried his best to adapt changes. He went outside to search for the cheese. So we should be like to adapt changes and face all the problems in the life.
Alright, but whom do you identify with? Among these four characters, there can be one character which identifies you. This is me. I am like this.
I identified to her. And as for right now, I was scared to do this. But when he went for that and other student went for that, I thought that I should do it too. I adapted now.
Alright. So this is the lesson that you've learned, that people should
Adapt
not
to
resist, adapt to change, and should not be afraid to change. Change can be for good, change can be for better, but the fear factor is always there. Even though we are not comfortable in the present zone, still we do not want to move out.
Because that was our
Because they
comfort
feel
zone.
that when I move out, maybe things will be worse.
Because that was our comfort zone and we want to come out that zone.
Though your comfort zone is no longer the comfort zone. There was no longer cheese over there. And even his friends moved out. The mice
And
moved
mind
out.
allows us to do it.
His friend moved out. Still, he would not move out because he felt that the outside world may be darker than what I am today.
Maybe it would be worse.
Yeah. Yes, that's good. Next. 9, 16, 98, yes. Roll number? 19. Those who are sitting in their comfort zone with their camera switched off, all these people identify with him. They do not want to move out. They do not want to speak. The others are speaking. The others are motivating them. Others are becoming sniff, scurry and haw. But then him is not moving up. The camera is still off and they continue to be in their comfort zone. Yes, now roll number 90.
Who moved my cheese?
अब जितने लोग हैं, I can allow some students more. Can you hear me? That I know. Why to avoid somebody who wants to get some marks?